Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain the complete transcription guidelines in a very detailed and simple way. If you are a beginner, or even if you already started working but struggling with ratings, this video will clear everything. We will cover how the system works, payment process, full verbatim versus clean verbatim with clear comparison, time-stamping rules, inaudible and intelligible usage, speaker labels, sound events, number formatting, quotation rules, dash rules, rating system, and removal policy. Please watch till the end because even small formatting mistakes can reduce your rating. Let's start from the basics. Part 1. How the system works. First, what do? We provide audio transcription services. That means we convert audio or video files into written text. Now let's understand the workflow. When a client uploads a file, you will receive an email notification. Then you go to the transcription jobs page. You can choose the files you want to work on. Before choosing a file, you must check 3 important things: turnaround time, the deadline, text format, whether it is full verbatim or clean verbatim, and time-stamping type, whether timestamps are required. After completing the transcription, you upload the file. It will be reviewed by editors. You will receive a rating and comments. Your earnings will be visible on the stats page. Payments are made every Friday through PayPal or Payoneer. The platform covers PayPal fees, so you receive the exact amount you earned. If your average rating is above 4.5, you can apply to become an editor. If the audio quality is extremely bad, do not struggle. Inform support. The client may get a refund. Always use American English spelling unless the client specifically requests otherwise. Example, color, not color. Organization, not organization. Part 2. Full verbatim. Very important section. Now let's understand full verbatim. Full verbatim means write exactly what you hear. You do not clean anything. You must include filler words, stutters, repetitions, speech errors, slang, false starts. Let's see examples. Example 1. Filler words. Audio, I went to the store. Full verbatim, I went to the store. You must include Example 2. Speech error. Audio, I went on Thursday, no, Friday. Full verbatim, I went on Thursday, no, Friday. You must show the correction exactly as spoken. Example 3. Stutter. Audio, I went home. Write exactly same. Example 4. Repetition. Audio. I went to school. Write exactly same. Example 5. Slang. Audio. I gotta go. Full verbatim. I gotta go. Do not change slang in full verbatim. Affirmative and negative sounds must only be written as yes, no, yes, no. Do not invent other spellings. Part 3. Clean verbatim. Most common mistake area. Clean verbatim removes unnecessary elements. You remove filler words, stutters, repetitions, unless emphasis, speech errors, false starts, unless they add meaning. Example comparison. Audio. I went to the store yesterday. Full verbatim. I went to the store yesterday. Clean verbatim. I went to the store yesterday. See the difference? Clean and smooth. Keep emphasis. Audio. No, 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 I don't agree. Clean verbatim. No, 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 I don't agree. Because repetition shows emphasis. Slang conversion in clean verbatim. In clean verbatim, slang must be converted. Gonna to going to, wanna to want to, gotcha to got you, cuz to because. Also, yeah, yep, yoop to yes. Okay must always be written as okay, never write okay or okay. Never start sentences with conjunctions in clean verbatim. Wrong, but I forgot. Correct, I forgot. Part 4, timestamping. Timestamp format must be bold 00:00:00. It must always be bold. There are two types, every 2 minutes or every speaker change. Very important rule. If your assigned part starts at 20 minutes, your first timestamp must be bold 00:20:00, not bold 00:00:00. Always consider the whole file timing. If the client says use embedded time or burned in time, download the video and follow the video clock exactly. Part 5, inaudible and intelligible. Never guess words. If you cannot hear the word due to noise, use bold, inaudible 00:00:00. If you hear sound but cannot understand because of accent or unclear speech, use bold, unintelligible 00:00:00. These must include timestamps and must be bold. Do not create your own variations. Part 6, speaker labels. Speaker labels must always be bold, followed by a colon, one space after the colon. Never use tab. Example, speaker 1, hello. If speaker name is known, use it. David Butterfield. Later, you may shorten to David. If unsure who is speaking, question mark, speaker 2. Always try to separate speakers clearly. Part 7, sound events. Sound events must be inside brackets. Example, bold laughs, bold laughter, bold crosstalk, bold background noise. Rules, no timestamps, maximum 2 words, lowercase. Present tense. Silence rules, 4 to 10 seconds, bold silence, more than 10 seconds, bold pause 00:00:00. If audio is cut, bold sound cut. Foreign language, if unknown, bold foreign language. If known, bold French language. Part 8, numbers rules. Spell single digits 1, 5, 9. Use numerals for 10 and above, 15, 100. Special cases, money, $5, $1,000, time, 2:45 p.m., 5 a.m., years, 1990s, 90s, fractions, 1/3. If a sentence contains both small and large numbers, write all in numerals. Example, I bought 5 apples and 12 oranges. Part 9, dash rules. Double dash used for false start, speech error, incomplete sentence. Example, I wanted to say. Single dash used for interruption. Speaker 1, I thought he was. Speaker 2, yes. Speaker 1, gone. Part 10, quotation rules. Use double quotation marks for direct speech. She said, don't go. Comma goes inside quotation marks. Do not use quotation marks for indirect speech. Incorrect, he said he was tired. Correct, he said he was tired. Part 11, major warnings. Never paraphrase, fix grammar, use exclamation marks, use bold, sick, use parentheses instead of brackets. Every sentence must end with punctuation. Capitalize first letter of every sentence. Keep contractions, don't, can't, it. Part 12, Rating System. 5 equals 96 to 100%. 4 equals 92 to 95%. 3 equals 88 to 91%. 2 equals 83 to 87%. 1 equals below 83%. If a new transcriber completes 3 jobs and average rating is 3.6 or below, removed from the team.
Editors judge accuracy, formatting, grammar, research quality. Even small mistakes can reduce rating. Target Final Advice section. If you want to maintain 4.5 plus rating, always read file instructions first. Double-check formatting. Use correct timestamps. Research names and spellings. Do not rush. Accuracy plus formatting equals high rating. The registration link is available in the description below. Once you register, you will receive the sign-up details through email. If you understood the complete process explained in this video, please give this video a like and leave a comment saying "understood" or share your thoughts. That really helps the channel grow and helps me know this training was useful for you. If you still have any doubts or need deeper guidance, I also provide personal one-on-one paid training sessions where I explain everything step by step and help you avoid common mistakes that reduce ratings. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.